Chapter 7 Ordinal Numbers Learning Objective. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to know the difference between ordinal and cardinal number, understand when ordinal numbers are used, speak and write ordinal numbers up to 10. Warm up. In a class test of 50 marks, the following marks were obtained by the students. Roll number, marks: 1 46, 2 42, 3 28, 4 49, 5 35, 6 39, 7 43, 8 45, 9 36, 10 41. Now fill in the blanks. 1. Roll number dash stood first in the class. 2. Roll number dash stood second in the class. 3. Roll number dash stood third in the class. 4. Roll number dash stood fourth in the class. 5. Roll number dash stood fifth in the class. When we count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, then they are known as cardinal numbers. When we count the numbers in any order or position of an object or a person, then they are known as ordinal numbers. First 10 ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ordinal numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Facts to know. The transfinite ordinal numbers, which first appeared in 1883, originated in Cantor's work with derived sets. Comes first, comes second, comes third, comes fourth, comes fifth, comes sixth, comes seventh, comes eighth, comes ninth, comes 10th. Teachers note: make children learn about ordinal numbers using real-life examples such as Sarita is the third girl standing in a row. Library is on the fourth floor of the school. Complete the ordinal number: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Quick tip: the first, second and third ordinal numbers are represented by adding letters ST, ND and RD respectively. All the others are represented by letter TH. Think wisely. Which alphabet am I? Find the number whose digits are as following. 1. I come after the fourth alphabet but before the sixth alphabet. 2. G is Y dash letter from the start. 3. Y is the dash letter from the end. Mental maths. A bird is present in the dash place. B. The dash and dash places have trees. C. A tiger is there in the dash place. D. The dash place has an animal whose name begins with E. Maths lab activity. Materials required: 15 strips having one sentence each from the popular story The Thirsty Crow. Steps 1. Tell the children that order is not just a part of number alone. It is essential in language activities such as stories too. Read aloud a story to the children, then write out the story in strips of paper and give each group a strip. 2. Keep the strip with you at the beginning of the story. 3. Read it aloud and pin it up on the board. 4. Ask all the groups to look at the strips with them to find out the next part of the story. 5. One child from that group should come forward and pin it next to the first strip. 6. All others must carefully read their sentences and one by one come forward with the next part of the story each time and do the same. 7. Once the entire story is up on the board, read it aloud to the class.